Before we begin and continue our recital, I just want to take a moment as a fellow dancer to congratulate Shagnika on such a wonderful achievement and this milestone. I know she still has plenty of milestones to reach, but this is something that she will truly cherish for the rest of her life. I know how much effort and dedication it took to prepare for this, and I cannot be more proud of how far she's come along. So before we begin, can we please have another round of applause for her dedication and everything. Continuing with our recital, we now come to our second Abhinaya of the evening. As Bengalis, Ma Durga holds a very special place to all of our hearts. Throughout India, she is worshipped in many forms and is called by many names: Durga, Amba, Chamundeshwari, Gauri, Devi Modi, Katyayani, and many more. The Abhinaya piece that Shagnika is about to present now is called Nabadurga. It is a prayer to the supreme goddess, Durga. In Hindu mythology, she is the embodiment of strength, or Shakti. As per the Skandha Purana, Lord Shiva's consort, Parvati, assumes the form of a warrior goddess to defeat the demon named Durg, who assumes the form of a buffalo. Hence the name Durga. Other scriptures describe the birth of Durga as the assimilation of the powers of Vishnu, Shiva, and Brahma, among other powerful gods. She is the collective energy of the gods who individually could not defeat the demon Mahishasura. She is the destroyer of the demons Sumba and Nisumba, yet she is the benevolent mother to us all. Durga is destruction. She is energy. She is illusion. She is nature. She is peace. The dancer, at the end of the composition, depicts the 9 forms of Devi that gives this composition the name Nabadurga. These 9 forms are Bonadurga, Mahadurga, Giri Durga, Jaya Durga, Shuli Durga, Mahishasuramardini, Shakti Durga, Ghora Durga, and Chandra Durga. Nabadurga is based on Rag Bhairavi and is set to Ektali, a cycle of 4 beats. Choreographed by the legendary Guru Pankaj Charan Das, the music is composed by Pandit Harihar Panda. Ladies and gentlemen, we are presenting Nabadurga.
वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे जय पाप विनाशिनी बहु फल दे मां जय पाप विनाशिनी बहु फल दे नमो वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे जय शुंभ निशुंभ कपाल धरे जय शुंभ निशुंभ कपाल धरे प्रणमामि तु देवी नराति हरे नमो वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः जय चंद्र दिवाकर नेत्रधरे जय पावक भूषित वकवरे जय चंद्र दिवाकर नेत्रधरे जय पावक भूषित वकवरे जय भैरव देवा नीलीन परे जय भैरव देवा नीलीन परे जय अंधक दत्य विमोक्ष्य करे नमो वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे जय महिषा विमर्दिनी शूलकरे जय लोक समस्त पाप हरे जय महिषा विमर्दिनी शूलकरे जय लोक समस्त पाप हरे जय देवी पितामह विष्णुनते जय भास्कर शक्र शिरोवनते नमो वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः जय देवी समस्त शरीरधरे जय नागविदर्शिनी दुःखहरे जय व्याधि विनाशिनी मोक्षकरे जय वाञ्छितदायिनी सिद्धि करे नमो वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे जय पाप विनाशिनी बहुफल दे मा जय पाप विनाशिनी बहुफल दे नमो वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे नमो वरदे नमो वरदे वनदुर्गा महादुर्गा गिरिदुर्गा ततः परं जय दुर्गा शूली दुर्गा दुर्गा महिषामर्दिनी शक्ति दुर्गा घोर दुर्गा चण्ड दुर्गा ततः क्रमं नीति समोहिनी तंत्रे दुर्गा भेदा नवोदिता दुर्गा